Students, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Yogi Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. So, today's practical session, we will discuss about urinary system examination in newborn or children's part 2. In this previous section, I will discuss about what is urinary system and its development, its urinary system's anatomy, morphology. We were discussed, but in this session we will discuss about assessment of urinary system. So here is anamnesis is complete history of disease and family history. We will discuss in this. So let's get started. So first of all, complaints are when the patients comes to us, patients' complaints are pain on urination or burning pain, colic or urination, back pain, headache, changes of urine color or the amount of the daily urine out, edema, thirst. First, it is the important to clarify the presence of preceding disease during the last month, like tonsillitis, scarlet fever, acute respiratory infection, allergic reaction, vaccination, etc., which has diagnostic value. Family history of urinary tract disorder, hearing loss, arterial hypertension, and urinary tract malformation. Abnormal pregnancy, gastritis infection, like chlamydiasis, mycoplasma, and cytomegalovirus, etc. Possibility of nephrotoxic impact, like bottle feeding, drug taking, poisoning, and other chemical substances. To establish the presence of such specific symptoms are dysuria, frequent and painful urination, imperative urge to avoid urination, etc. Low back pain and abdominal pain, edema, slight edema or puffiness of eyelid, lower extremities, general edema, and anasalta. Changes in renal analysis like proteinuria, hematuria, and leukocyturia, etc. So first have to be instruction. Means color changes the different diseases like pallor in nephritis, peripheral vasoconstriction, edema, and anemia, pallor with grayish shade in pyelonephritis, dryness and peeling of the skin in case of chronic renal failure. Expressiveness slightly or generally, localization in the facial region, extremity and abdominal cavity. So inspection again in heart and vascular system, measurement of the arterial blood pressure, the cardiac left border enlargement, estimated S1 cardiac tone on the apex and S2 cardiac tone on the aorta. Time for this embryogenesis. So, palpitation, we have to palpate the kidney. If it's possible only childhood and mainly in thin children with small weight, more frequently right kidney. Positive result on palpation of kidney in older children indicate increase of the size of the kidney. Tumor, hydronephrosis, cholecystitis, etc., or kidney dysplasia. Percussion of the kidney is done in the lumbar area, the corner between lower and vertebral column. Positive testerness from one or two sides of the patient for the kidney inflammation. That's called positive testerness. So laboratory examination should also done. General urine analysis evaluation include the physical and chemical characteristics, the transparency, color, odor, or density. Microscopy of the urine for determination the cell contain epithelial cell, leukocytes, erythrocytes, and cylinder salt. So the transparency is the healthy urine. The healthy urine is the clouding can be caused by the increased amount of salt, cell, and mucus. The laboratory examination is color in yellowish or amber. Color can be changed to reddish in hematuria, amidobaldium, beet, right? And dark red is hemoglobinuria in hemolytic anemias, non-compatible food transfusion. Dark brown color is alkaptoluria, mechanical jaundice. Yellowish is depth of sentinel. White color is pyrourine in case of lymphocytosis. Blue color is the odor can be changed and be light. Acetone smell is in ketourias when diabetes mellitus or acetouria vomiting. Mouse smell is phenylketonuria. Sugar is present in generally in urine and its appearance can be due to enzyme deficiency like saccharide insufficiency, tubulopathy, and diabetes mellitus. Epithelial cell leukocytosis exists in urine consistently. Epithelial cell no more than 9 to 10 cells within leukocytes no more than 4 to 6 cells within leukocyturia characteristic for inflammation, pyelonephritis. Presence of the erythrocyte is almost always connected with the existence of pathological process. Uh, Transitory erythrocyturia due to heavy physical activity. Hematuria is an excessive loss of erythrocytes through the kidney in comparison with the age normal value can be observed in the glomerulopathy, hemolytic anemia, renal bleeding, and renal tuberculosis. Cellular content of the urine is daily amount of leukocytosis, and cylindrical 2000. Amount of leukocytes 2000 cells, erythrocytes 1000 cells, 1 ml of urine. Cylinders not more than 250. The protein can be found in healthy urine in amount. Generally analysis is 0.022 per liter. Daily amount is 0.03 to 0.1 gram per day. Proteinuria can be as a sign of glomerular damages, inflammatory or non-inflammatory glomerulopathy, cellular origin, when there is a erythrocytosis, tubular is a chronic polynephritis, interstitial nephritis, having metropolitan. Proteinuria can be mild, moderate, and severe. Mild is 0.15 to 1 gram per daily, moderate 1 to 3 gram per daily, and severe is more than 3 grams. So, concentration test of gymnastic test. It is the functional test of urinary system. So, collection of urine each 3 hours. The first portion of the urine make the daily diuresis, and the last 4 portion make nocturnal diuresis. The daily one is 2 to 3rd or 3/4 is the whole amount of the urine. If the nocturnal portion is more than bacteria is present. The normal daily range between the maximal and minimal urine density. So density of the urine is compared with the plasma density. The density equal to plasma. This is isotonuria, and the also one is hypotenuria. This is a chronic renal failure in or diabetes. Urine culture. Bacteriuria is defined as the amount of the bacteria more than 1 lakh in 1 ml per urine. And pyuria is the presence of excessive leukocyturia, and bacteriuria can be observed in urinary tract infection and pyelonephritis. GFR, glomerular filtrate, is based on determination of normally GFR is 100, 120, per minute. Formula of count of the amount of creating here C is creating the amount of 1 minute diuresis contains plasma amount of. So, instrumental method of examination is ultrasound. Ultrasound examination determines kidney portion, mobile size and morphology, reveal the urinary system, congenital malformation, sign of some acquired disease, tumor of urinary organ, urinary tract stone, and different. Lactaceous cytoureography determines urinary bladder malformation, tumor, and reflexes. Cystoscopy, endoscopic examination of the urinary bladder using X-ray, contrast to evaluate the urodynamics. Radioisotopic examination persists to evaluate kidney, parenchyma, ureter, urinary bladder. Then excretory urography is one of the X-ray method examination of the urinary system using X-ray contrast substance. It helps to reveal position or morphology of the collecting part of the urinary system. To evaluate the excretory function to determine the kidney mobility, structure and function of ureter and urinary bladder. Same like is arterography and angiography and MRI. MRI or CT, the study the structure of urinary system on different levels. The kidney biopsy and histology and immunological examination of the tissue help to confirmation of diagnosis or differential diagnosis are in case of renal failure of ammonitology and to evaluate the condition of renal graft to determine the case of renal hematuria and proteinuria and in the case of tubulopathy of. So that's all about urinary examination of. Hope you like that session and you will understand. So that's enough to this session.